Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for west central Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Clayton, or 22 miles southwest of Rice Lake, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Barron County, including the following locations: Arland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is Weather Radio Station